First U.S. Solana Staking ETF sees $12 million inflows on debut with $33 million volume. Solana ETF. The REX-Osprey Solana Staking ETF, trading under the ticker SSK, launched Wednesday on the Cboe BZX Exchange. Crypto journalist Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated July 3, 2025. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The first Solana Staking Exchange-Traded Fund, ETF, in the United States wrapped up its debut trading session with $12 million in inflows and $33 million in volume, marking a strong start for staking-focused crypto ETFs. Key takeaways. The first U.S. Solana Staking ETF launched with $12 million in inflows and $33 million in volume. Opening day trading volumes topped earlier Solana and XRP futures ETFs. REX-Osprey's creative fund structure overcame SEC hurdles, avoiding the standard spot ETF approval process. The REX-Osprey Solana Staking ETF, trading under the ticker SSK, launched Wednesday on the Cboe BZX Exchange. The fund offers investors exposure to Solana SOL while providing staking yields, positioning it as the first ETF in the U.S. to combine spot Solana exposure with staking rewards. Solana Staking ETF outpaces futures funds. According to Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas, the ETF's opening day volumes surpassed those seen by earlier Solana and XRP futures ETFs. However, they fell short of the explosive debuts of spot Bitcoin and Ether ETFs, which together recorded $4.6 billion in shares traded on their first day in January 2024. Bloomberg's James Seifert noted the ETF saw $8 million in trading volume within its first 20 minutes, describing it as a healthy start to trading. Anchorage Digital co-founder Nathan McCauley called the launch a defining moment for digital assets, highlighting its role in expanding institutional access to crypto staking opportunities. The ETF's launch was not without hurdles. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) initially raised objections in late May, questioning whether the product qualified as an investment company under federal securities laws. REX-Osprey navigated these challenges by structuring the fund to invest at least 40% of its assets in other exchange-traded products, many of which are listed outside the United States. The regulatory workaround allowed the fund to avoid the traditional 19B for filing process typically required for spot crypto ETFs. Nate Geraci, president of Novidios Wealth Management, previously described the strategy as a regulatory end-around, a view shared by analysts who have debated whether the fund should be classified as a conventional spot Solana ETF. Strong start sparks hopes for spot Solana ETF approval. The promising debut has fueled speculation about the potential approval of true spot Solana ETFs. Both Seifert and Balchunas recently estimated a 95% chance that the SEC will approve spot Solana ETFs before the year ends. Seifert added that a wave of new ETFs, including products tied to XRP and Litecoin, could arrive in the second half of 2025. Meanwhile, Solana's price saw muted movement, gaining 3.6% over the past 24 hours and trading around $153 at press time. Despite the ETF launch, SOL remains down nearly 48% from its highs earlier this year. However, Solana CME futures showed rising institutional appetite, with open interest reaching $167 million after the ETF's debut, according to data from Solana Floor. As reported, digital asset investment funds pulled in $2.7 billion last week, capping an 11-week streak of inflows that now totals $16.9 billion. The bulk of the inflows came from the United States, accounting for $2.65 billion. Switzerland and Germany recorded modest additions of $23 million and $19.8 million respectively, while Canada, Hong Kong, and Brazil posted small outflows. Bitcoin remained the primary magnet for capital, drawing $2.2 billion last week, a commanding 83% of total inflows, while short Bitcoin products extended their year-to-date outflows to $12 million. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sacks as White House AI and crypto czar. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Bitcoin Cash by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Crypto analyst says Wall Street's full-scale entry is just beginning. $100 XRP next target. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. 95% ETF approval odds plus XRPL EVM launch. Could XRP hit $1,000? 1 day ago. By Simon Chandler. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. LUS becomes the fastest growing stablecoin. XRP to $10 next? 3 days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Press releases. Crypto price prediction today, June 30th. XRP, Picoin, Cardano. 3 days ago. By Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 1st, 2025. 2 days ago. By NSS Tavares. 12 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025. Pre-sale crypto list. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 1 hour ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. April 11, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.